Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can revamp your wigs. I'm going to show you how I took this wig from looking very old and ratchet to looking as fresh as what you just saw. If you want to see how I go about it, then please keep on watching this video. Yes, grab a seat, grab a popcorn, and let's get right into it. So what I'm going to start with doing is I'm going to start by washing the hair with my shampoo, and the product which I use for washing my hair is the Macadamia Deluxe Conditioning Shampoo, or rather moisturizing shampoo. So this shampoo I'm going to use to wash the hair is going to give the hair some moisture. You can see how tangled up the hair looks right now, but I'm just going to take it off from the wig. You can see the tangles. Take it off from the wig, take it to the bathroom. I wash my wigs in my bathroom, pour some water on it and start to wash off all of the debts on that wig. Yeah, so this is the shampoo I'm using right here. Pour water on it, wash it and rinse off the water. Sorry guys, in the filming process I lost the clip of where I was washing it, so that's the reason why I started from here. So after washing the hair with the shampoo, I'm going to start to apply some conditioner all around the hair. This is what's going to help to restore that very soft texture to the hair and make the hair more smooth and look as fresh and new as it originally was. So after applying the conditioner on the hair, I'm using my hairbrush now just to brush through the hair and ensure that the conditioner goes through all the strands of the hair. And yes, after applying your conditioner on your hair, it's always best that you leave the conditioner on your hair for at least 1 hour. If you can leave the conditioner on the wig overnight, that's even more perfect. So I'm just going to leave the conditioner on the hair and leave it there to just sit overnight. Then I'll rinse it off the following morning. That's what I'm going to do. You can see how nice the hair looks, very smooth and pretty nice. Yeah, so this is the hair now. The following morning I'm rinsing it off. I'm just trying to rinse off the conditioner that I left on the hair. So after rinsing off the conditioner off the hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and spread the hair outside so that it air dries. So I tend to air dry my wigs. Some folks might choose to use their hand dryer to dry it, but I prefer to use I prefer for my hairs to air dry. So after I've set it outside to dry, leaving it outside for about a day is more than enough. You can see how the hair looks now. It's really nice and clean. I want to now start pinning the wig down to the mannequin stand so that it just stays there. The next thing I'm going to do now is just to take out that elastic band. It's an old elastic band, it's already slacked, so I want to change it and put a new elastic band so that the wig stays better on my client's head. So I'm just going to cut off that elastic band from the frontal area and install a new elastic band. Now we are done with fixing in the new elastic band. You can see it's much better than how it was before. So what I'm doing, I'm using my hand dryer now to just sort of blow dry the hair. I just want to just straighten out the hair a bit before I start to straighten it with my hair straightener. and this is also going to help to just ensure that the whole wig is completely dry, just in case it didn't dry well while it was outside. Yeah, you can see I'm sort of struggling with the mannequin head, it's just moving all over the place. So let's just dry it up for a bit and we'll start to straighten our wig. So guys, after, you can see now that the hair is so much straighter than how it looks before. And don't forget, my client asked me to cut the hair into a bob. So after I'm done like just straightening the hair a bit using that blow dryer, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start taking off the excess length from this wig. Yeah, so I'm going to reach out for my clipper and I'll start to just cut off about, I'm just going to cut it to somewhere around like the shoulder area, like the shoulder length. So I'm just cutting off the hair at the bottom part. I'm going to do it for the entire round of the hair. Yes, so right now you can see how it looks. It looks yeah, the wig looks like a ghost from how it looks like a ghost of its period self, So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my hair straightener now to start to straighten the hair in small sections. I'm just using that tail comb to just cut the hair while I use the straightener to straighten the hair. And guys, I want to be honest with you in this video, I'm very lazy when it comes to straightening hair. So most times your girl reaches out for her iron, like the iron they use in ironing clothes. I just put the wig on my bed or any flat area I have around and I use my iron and straighten the hair. And honestly, using your iron to straighten your hair is so much faster and very effective. So using iron is just one of the fastest way to straighten your hair without having to go through each strand of the hair with the hair straightener. So I use the iron to straighten. You can see how it looks now. So what I'm trying to do now is just create the parts. I already parted the C part while I'm using my hair wax to lay all the short hairs that might be flying around. You can see how it looks now. So I'm going to use my hot iron and just lay the hair well. That's what I'm going to do. Yes, see how nice it looks. Just see how nice it looks. Really beautiful and skin like. Use that hair wax, lay the short hairs. Yes. If you are still watching this video at this point, thank you very much. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for always liking my videos. Thank you so much for always sharing my videos. I really don't take your support for granted. I really appreciate you. And if you learned something from this video, please make sure you share with me in the comment section what you learned from this video and which of my methods you're going to be trying out. Let me know also in the comment section. And sis, if you're yet subscribed to my channel, now is a good time to do so. Please support me by clicking on the subscribe button just right below. Also share this video with your friends who always keep wearing wigs that are unkept, so they could use this tutorial as a guide on how they could revamp their wigs while they're at home. So guys, let's just finish up this look. You can see right now I'm just trying to make sure I style the front of the wig really well and ensure that all the hairs are laying very flat. And I'm just going back in with my clipper just to make sure that the ends of the hair are well cut. The blunt cut is really nice. Yeah, and I'm going to also try and bulb that in much later, but Right now I'm just trying to make sure I perfect the cut very well. So what I'm trying to do now is just to put some bulbs at the end of the wig. I'm trying to do like a bulb look, but not a perfect bulb, but just make it sort of curvy a bit at the ends so it doesn't look so sharp. That's what we are doing. I'm going to do it all through the entire wig. Yes. Wow. Well, guys, what do you think about the transformation? Do you prefer the way the wig was long before, or you like the way it looks currently? For me, I think I like the way it looks now because it looks so much more expensive. It looks well, like it looks put together now, unlike how it looked before. I think I totally like how this wig turned out. It looks so much, it just looks really nice. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure you share this video with your friends who are also going to enjoy watching it. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Please like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. You can also share it in your community page. I would really appreciate that support so more people get to watch it. Wow, just look at the back of this wig. It looks so beautiful, and see how fluffy the hair looks. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a nice comment for me in the comment section, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Yes, our channel is finally monetized after 4 whole years of doing YouTube, but finally monetized. So please try and make sure you watch the ads on the video. Don't skip the ads. Thank you very much. Love you. Bye. Purchase our limited edition makeup product from our website www.enlpcng.com.